Hi, my name is Aarav.
And I'm Aaryansh. And today we will be making a delicious lemon cake. Let's get started.
First, you will need 1.5 cup of sugar. This is 1/4, so I'm gonna do 2 of them. After you put in the sugar, you will need 2 eggs, or for all you vegans out there, you will need thick curd. I'm not vegan, so I'll just be putting my eggs. But the rest of you guys who might be vegan, put thick curd. 1.5 cup of thick curd or 2 eggs. Oops, got a shell in there. There's proof I'm not professional. Next, we'll need 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. Okay, guys? Pour that in. That's good. Now we'll need 1 teaspoon, probably can't see that, of lemon zest. Let's place it in. Mix. Now we put 1 cup of flour. Now we put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. See? There. Now we put 2 teaspoons, of baking powder, baking soda. Now we squeeze 1 lime. Microwave your limes so they get hot, and they'll be super easy to squeeze. Now you squeeze your limes into it, and something really cool is limes with baking powder or baking soda make this chemical reaction. Look. Super cool.
I know, super duper cool.
Just make sure to make them hot so they're easy to squeeze. I had an accident with a lime while we were making this, and it was weird because it was too easy to squeeze. So, yeah. Now we put 1/3 of a cup organic milk. Doesn't have to be organic, but it would be good if it was organic. Now for the food coloring, put a few drops. I might have put in too much, but we don't have to talk about that. And then you mix. Now we bake. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be showing you how to make your really own special buttercream. So, what to do for the bake is set your oven degrees for 360 Fahrenheit, and the timing is 30 minutes. Put 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Sorry guys, it's kind of a tongue twister for me. And here it is, the whipping cream, 1/2 cup. Now we put our sugar. So I added our sugar. Let me just add a little more to make it a little sweeter. And we put the rest of your lemon zest and 1/2 lemon. You know when I said 1/2 lemon? We're actually gonna put a full lemon. So let me just do that right now. And now guys, we mix. When you guys are done mixing, you put some yellow food coloring in. Oops, that was a bit lot. you guys mix. Now don't mix with the electric mixer. Mix with a hand one. And basically we wait for all of the color to blend in. So we have gone through a long journey baking the cake and stuff. The lemon cake is ready, the cake is ready, and the frosting is ready. This is Aarav and Aaryansh's Delights. Bye!